Conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Yesterday we started Python, just like introduction, why Python and what are the features of the Python. Python is open source, free of cost. You can able to download, and based on Python, you can able to work with different kind of applications. Like we will be having web application development, data science projects, artificial intelligence, mobile apps, blockchain apps, desktop apps, quantum computing, ERP applications, gaming applications, cloud computing like AWS, Azure, GCP, data analytics, data engineering. Anywhere you go, Python is available. Anywhere you go, Python is available. Even cyber security related tools also working with Python. Okay, so lot of applications are going to be working with Python, and Python is dynamic typed. I told you x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, z is equal to x plus y. That's it. Java is a static typed. Java compulsory data type declaration needed, but Python no need. You can directly write down the content straightforward. And one more concept like editors. I told you there are huge number of editors you are going to be having. All editors are free. You can able to download multiple editors like Notepad++, VS Code, Atom, Rockets, Sublime Text, PyCharm, Anaconda Navigator. In Anaconda Navigator, there are two things. One is a Jupyter, one is a Spider. Okay, so I already installed all these editors, but you try with multiple editors. Yesterday I shown some editors, but majorly for Python course, only for Python, not full stack. Python, I will use online Google Collaboratory. Online Google Collaboratory. For this, no need to install Python. Directly, you can open the browser and search for Google Collaboratory. That's it. But whenever you want to work out Python in local systems, definitely editors are needed, and Python installation needed first. Without installing Python, you cannot able to work with the local editors. Okay. So let me open the collaboratory and we'll go through few concepts today in Python, how the things are going to be happening with. So one by one we will see. Any new one? Everybody yesterday's uh, attendance. Anybody new today? So if anybody
Hi,
new
sir.
today, yeah. Anybody new today?
Yes, sir. I'm the new today.
Yeah,
Uh,
Gagan, you just follow the recorded session in the YouTube. I already uploaded a recorded session of yesterday's session YouTube. Just follow the
yes,
YouTube
sir. Thank
channel.
you, sir.
So that is already
Thank you, sir.
uploaded. Yeah, you can just follow that. And this is the second day, day 2. Okay, let me open now. Let me open collaboratory. I want to open the collaboratory. This is Google Collaboratory. I want to open Google Collab. Okay, this is the Google Collab. Search for Google Collab. Search for Google Collab. So I'm opening Google Collab here. And so yesterday's one, the same file, full stack Python ipynib. This is the file yesterday I created. And here onwards, I want to write down the content. So after opening the collaboratory, please try to connect to the cloud. Please try to connect to the cloud. Now it is connecting to the cloud. Connecting to the cloud. Yeah, RAM allocated, disk allocated, fine. So yesterday we are writing simple arithmetic operators. See, can you please go ahead with the arithmetic operators and some more functionalities we written. But today onwards, freshly, we have to start with the Python. Any programming language you take, first of all, very important thing is about the variables. We need to define the variables or identifiers. We need to understand about the variables or identifiers. Okay, so what is this variable? What is this identifier is? Any programming language, basically data is mandatory. Data is important for any programming language. So if you want to store the data, you need to prepare a variable. So without having the variable is some memory location, variable is going to be having some memory location, and variable is going to be having the value. Okay, all variables are not similar. Every variable is different. Every variable is unique. So one variable is integer kind of data, one variable is a floating kind of data, one variable is a string kind of data, one variable is a boolean kind of data, and one other variable is going to be a array kind of data, other is going to be a dictionary kind of data. Every variable is different, sir. Every variable is different. Every variable location is different. Every variable state is different. Okay, but every variable should have the name. For example, this is the variable, this is called A. This is the variable, this is called B. This is the variable, this is called C. This is the variable, this is called D. Every variable is unique, and every variable have some specific name. G. Okay, these are the different variables. Okay, imagine this is the variable which is the kind of integer data. This is the variable which is the kind of integer data. This is the variable which is the kind of floating data. And this is the variable which is a kind of string data. This is the variable which is a kind of boolean data. This is the variable which is the kind of list data. List data. This is the variable which is the kind of tuple data. Like that, every variable is different, every identifier is different. Here in this particular picture, I am going to be having multiple identifiers: A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F comma G. These are the different kind of identifiers. Okay. And one more important point, guys, this variable or identifier is a storage area for data. Okay, so variable name, variable name. Whenever you want to define the variable name is custom name. Variable name is custom name. Sir, font is okay. Can I improve the font? Font is okay. Can I improve the font? Variable name is custom name, sir. Whenever you want to define your variable, that variable is first of all custom name. Yeah, fine, good. If anybody having questions, you can ping me in the chat box here. Right, go ahead. And variable name is custom name, but variable name should follow some rules and regulations. Variable name should follow some rules and regulations. Rules. Okay, what are the rules? The first rule is variable name do not start with a number. Variable name do not start with a number. Do not start with a number. Don't start with numbers. Variable names don't start with numbers. If you start with a number, automatically you will be getting error. Okay, second rule, variable name do not have spaces. Variable name do not contain spaces. Contain spaces. Sir, these rules for every programming language, the same rules we need to follow. Even Python also we have to follow these kind of rules. I just want to go one by one. Third rule is variable name do not be a Python keyword, be a Python predefined keyword, Python predefined keyword or identifier, predefined keyword or identifier. Okay, don't start your variable name with default keywords or default identifiers. And fourth rule is variable name. Sorry, fourth rule. Variable name should not contain any special characters. Should not contain any special characters. Don't keep any special character for the variable name. What are the special characters, sir? So this one, 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 and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, don't use any special characters in your variable name. Don't use any special characters in variable names. Remember, all these are special characters. Whatever I am writing here, all these are special characters. Don't use any special character for the variable name or inside the variable name. But only one special character allowed in the variable name. Only one special character allowed in the variable name. That special character is something like, what is the special character, sir? Anybody?
Underscore.
Exactly. Variable name
Underscore.
SS. Variable name allowed only one special character, that is called underscore. Only one. Only one special character is called underscore. Underscore. This one. Underscore. Okay. Right. Can we validate all these things? The first one, I want to validate it. Variable name do not start with a number. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. For example, one apple. I want to take a variable name is one apple. One apple is equal to uh, red apple. Okay, here I am taking a variable name as variable name start with a number. I am starting variable name with a number. When I start a variable name with a number, it will not allow. Just go. Invalid decimal or literal. Invalid decimal or literal. So the first rule is working or not? First rule is working or not? Just check it out. All the rules. Sorry. Just check it out. All the rules. I want to copy the first one only. This one. Just copy here and keep in this box. The first rule. Okay. The second rule. Variable name do not contain spaces. Variable name do not contain spaces. Let me take a variable emp name. Emp name is equal to Mohansh. Emp name is equal to Mohansh. Then emp space name. Emp space name. Okay, the second rule. Variable name do not contain spaces. I given a space emp space name as a variable name Mohansh. Invalid syntax. Invalid syntax. Third rule. Variable name do not be a Python predefined keyword or identifier. First of all, we need to understand and check what are the Python keywords or identifiers. Just check it out. Python keywords, list of Python keywords. Just go and check it out. Okay, let me go to the W3 schools or Geek for Geeks. Any website you open, all these are actually Python keywords, sir. And as, assert to, async, await to, break, case, class, continue, def, dill, if, else, expect, false, finally, for them. There are a number of things. There are a number of things. Don't use Python keywords as a variable names. Don't use Python keywords as a variable names. Important, remember. Okay, that is a next rule. Okay, let me go with the next rule. Variable name do not be a Python keyword or identifier. I will try with one Python keyword. I want to create a variable name with one Python keyword called if. If is Python keyword. If is equal to Mohansh. If is equal to Mohansh, automatically you will be getting the error. It will not work out. Invalid syntax. Invalid syntax. Because of I am taking variable name a Python keyword. That is the problem. The next rule. Variable name should not contain any special character. Let me check with this fourth rule. Fourth rule. Let me check about the fourth rule. Variable name should not contain any special character. Okay, let me try to create a variable name with a special character. Yeah, emp at the rate. Collaboratory is actually artificial intelligence. It is behind of artificial intelligence. Gemini is working. Automatically some code is giving. When I am writing a statement, some code is giving. Okay, employee name is equal to, I keep this Mohansh only. Okay, accept it. Execute it. No, it will not work out. Why? Because of here there is one special character called at the rate symbol. At the rate symbol. Okay, the last rule. What is the last rule, sir? Variable name allowed only one special character, that is called underscore. Can we go? Yeah, this one. I will create a variable name. Emp underscore name is equal to Mohansh. Emp underscore name is equal to, I want to give Mohansh. Okay, then emp underscore name. Just print emp underscore name. You will be getting output properly. You don't have any problem with this. Now, you can play with variables. You can play with the variables and create a student details, create product details, create different programs. You write down the things and you print all the values into the outputs. Okay, for example, I want to write a few examples, variables program. Okay, let me go EMP. EMP details I'm going to be providing. EMP name is equal to Mohansh. Okay, Mohansh. This is the kind of string data. EMP ID is equal to 104, and EMP qualification is equal to something like MCA. Then EMP salary is equal to something like 67,000. Okay, I want to print all the values, means you can print all the values, no issues. Print, what is the first one? You can just go through this, accept it, all the code automatically coming. Print EMP name one by one. Print EMP name, and print one more thing. Print EMP ID. Oh my God, this is giving, but not okay. Okay, accept. All the values came. Let me print all the values. Let me print all the values. I am defining some variables here. I am defining some variables here. I am trying to printing it. Okay. Employee name Mohansh came, ID came, salary, qualification came, and salary came. Everything getting understand, guys? Bhaskar, Gagan, Manasa, Python lover, Rihanna, Rohit Pavan, Subhot, Tamal, Tejas, Uday,
Yes, sir.
Venkatesh. Yeah. If anybody not attended
Sir,
yesterday, yeah, go ahead.
sir, you already said that the variable is won't allow any special characters. But why it is allowed only the underscore only? It is
That
any
that is
specific reason?
there is no specific reason. Program designed like that. Not only this program, compilers designed like that. Not only Python, any programming language you go, Java you go, .NET you go, JavaScript you go, Go language you go, Groovy you go, wherever you go, underscore only allowed for the variable names. No other special characters not allowed. That is having some specific reasons. I don't know, and even anybody don't know about this. Every programming design compilers actually designed like that. Compilers only designed like that. Clear? Manasa, there is no reason.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, fine. Go. So in this way, you can able to play with the variables. You can prepare your name, your friends' names, and your like product. Suppose you like one product, now that product details, different examples you try to write down and print it out. Next, the concept is data types. I want to move to the data types one by one. Today, I want to explore a lot of things for you. Okay, for Python, data types. What are the data types Python is going to be using? The one is integer, obviously. Some a is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. What is the type of a here? A is my variable name. There is a type method. Type method is basically giving the data type of that particular variable. Okay, based on the value, based on the 10, A is taking type. I am giving the value 10, right? If I am giving the value 10, automatically A is a integer. Based on the data. For example, there is a cups are there, cups. Okay, when you go to the tea shop, cups are there. For example, in the cup, he is pouring the tea, that is the tea cup. In the cup, he is pouring the coffee, it is a coffee cup. In the cup, he is pouring the milk, that is milk cup. In the cup, he is pouring the boost, that is a boost cup. Horlicks, Maltova. There are multiple things. There are multiple things. So based on the data, container type is getting changed. Here the container is A. Here my container name is A. But based on the value, what is the value I'm giving? Value I'm assigning 10. Right side, we are giving the value. Left side is a variable name. Based on the value, type of the data actually defined. That is called a dynamic typed. That is why reason Python is called dynamic typed. Based on the data, its type is actually defined with. Okay, so this is the integer. Let me go with one more thing. B is equal to 10.567. What is the type of the B? Based on the data. What is the data here? This is the decimal data, decimal values. If I am giving the decimal values over there, then the type of the B is float. Float. Okay, let me give the C. C is equal to Mohansh. Single quotes Mohansh. Single quotes Mohansh. Print C. I can give single quotes. I can give single quotes for strings. I can give double quotes for the strings. D is equal to I am giving double quotes Mohansh. When I am giving double quotes, even the type of the D is string only. Here I want to see the type whether this is the type I want to see. Type of the C is string. Type of the D is also string. And A, B, C, D, E. Next E. E is the variable name. E is equal to I am taking triple single quote Mohansh. Triple single quote close. Type of E. Type of E. What is the type of E again? String only. This is the string. This is the string. This is the string. Or you can go with EF. F is equal to triple double quote open and write down Mohansh and triple double quote close. And again type of F. Type of F. Type of F also a string. In Python, we have this kind of flexibility, but in Java, only double quotes you need to use for the strings. But in JavaScript, you can use single quotes and double quotes. But in Python, you will be using like single quotes or double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes also. But remember one point, whatever the entry point you have, that should be the exit point. Entry point is single quote, exit point also should be the single quote. If the entry point is double quote, output, so exit point also double quote. Entry point is triple double quote, exit point also triple double quote, sorry, triple single quote. Entry point is triple double quotes, exit point also triple double quotes. That is, you have to remember. Otherwise, you will be getting the issue. Okay, let me check it out. Let me check it out here. For F, I started with triple double quotes, but I am ending with triple single quotes. I am ending with the triple single quotes. What is going to be giving output? Incomplete. Incomplete input. The problem. What the problem here? I started with the triple double quotes, but I ended with the triple single quotes. Remember, whatever the open is there, that should be the close. Whatever the entry point is there, that should be the exit point. Syntax, don't confuse. Very simple, straightforward. If you want, you can just go through the single quotes, or you habit with the double quotes, go with the double quotes. Or Python, different new things are there. Open with the triple single quotes and triple double quotes also. Okay, am I clear? Next, any questions so far? Any questions so far?
No,
Everybody
sir.
clear? Huh? Right. Good. The next point. How many things are done? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let me go G. G Boolean value. G is equal to true. Okay. What is the type of the G here? Okay. Boolean having only two things. One is a true. One is a false. That's it. Okay. This is a Boolean kind of data. Next, I want to go with the one more kind of the data. H. H is equal to. I will be having a few values here. Okay. When I'm taking the few values with the square braces, when I'm taking a few values in the square braces, that is a list kind of data. See the diagram, whatever the diagram I'm writing, that is very, very important. Every data is different based on the value. Based on the value, variable is taking type. Based on your assigned value, that particular variable is choosing the type or taking the type. That is dynamic typed. Okay, this is the H. Next, I is equal to, I want to take one more kind of data, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. And what is the kind of I? What is the type of I? Type of I is, it's a tuple. Tuple or tuple. Some people are calling tuple, some people are calling tuple, whatever it may be. This is one kind of data. Later we will try to understand what is the differences between this list and tuple, all these things. Don't worry. So we have a few operations need to perform on list on tuple. So that time you can able to understand how the list is going to be working, how the tuple is going to be working. Next, J. J is equal to, I should take 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the type of this J is? What is the type of this J is? It is a set. It is a set of values. Okay, what is the difference between the previous ones and this one? Set will not allow duplicates. Set will not allow duplicates. For example, if I want to print the J value, if I print the J value, okay, execute it and print the J value, it is not allowing duplicates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. 1, 2 times, 2, 2 times I given, but it is taking only unique values. That is basically set behavior. That is basically set behavior. But list and tuple allow duplicates. Okay, later we understand one by one individually what are the operations we can able to perform on list, what are the operations we can able to perform on tuple, what are the operations we can able to perform on set also. Okay, let me go with J I J K K na. K is something like a dictionary. This time I am going to be defining a dictionary. Okay, dictionary is set of key value pairs. Employee name Mohansh. This is one key value pair. Employee name is the key, Mohansh is the value, and key and value separated with the colon symbol. Key and value separated with the colon symbol, and one key value pair to another key value pair separated with the comma. Employee name is the first one, and employee ID is the second one. My God, this is giving the code. Huh? Take it, accept it. Okay. Execute it. This is dictionary. Type of the data is dictionary. Dictionary, guys. Okay. Everybody clear about the data types? These are the data types you can able to work out. And here, independently, we will discuss about all these things. Okay, how the values are going to be different things, how the keys are going to be a different things. Variables and data types. Any questions on variables and data types? 1 second. Any questions on variables and data types? Sriramulu, Bhaskar, Dhani, Gagan, Mansa, Python lover, Rohit, Subodha,
Understood, sir.
Kamal.
No, sir.
Variables, data types.
No,
Clear?
sir.
Good, very good. Let me go. Let me go with Python, some predefined functions. We have to understand some predefined functions in Python. The first function, some predefined functions. Okay, few functions I will explore now. Later we will discuss about some other functions. Few are more important actually. Few are more important Python functions, Python predefined functions. Why? Because in the regular programs we have to use these functions. That is the why reason I need to explore first 4 or 5 functions. Then when I come to the topic like predefined methods and functions, there again I will explore all the functions. Few more important Python predefined functions. What are that? The one is ID function. ID is not something like location. The one is type function. Just now we seen type function, and one more function, print function, and one more important function, print, then input function, then one more important string function, one more important set function, one more important list function, one more important function, tuple function, tuple, and one more important int function. Int already written, no, int of, one more float of, excuse me, float of. So like this, few important functions are there, and what is the importance of each and every function we will discuss. Okay, ID, basically ID is giving the location of the variable. Okay, so something like ID of Mohansh. I have some string here called Mohansh. What is the ID of the Mohansh? Some memory location. some memory location. It is going to be giving some memory location for the Mohansh. Every ID is ID value is different. ID of 5. What is the ID of 5? That will be the different. It is having a different memory location, and Mohansh is going to be having this kind of memory location, a binary location. Next, come to the type function. What is the importance of the type function? We already seen that. What is the importance of the ID? It's a location. Next one, location or identification, whatever it may be. Okay. The next one is type function. What is the importance of the type function? Using for get data type of the variable. Get data type of the variable. Get data type of the variable. Okay, let's go with a type of 5. Okay, you already know this. We already done this type function. The next function, print function. Yeah, I just want to explore this function elaborately. I want to explore this function elaborately. Okay, let me go. Okay, so what is the use of print function, sir? Anyone? Printing outputs. Just printing outputs. See, one programming language, different way of printing. In Java, something like system.out.println kind of thing. In JavaScript, something like a console.log. One programming language, different kind of prints. But here in Python, just print print. No capital letter. Don't use capital letters. Only small letters. Okay. If I use a capital letter print, automatically you will be getting the error. Hi, hello, hello. If I say hello with the capital P, if I say hello with the capital P, you will be getting the error. Okay. Print is not defined. Sir, Python is case sensitive. Wherever the small letters are there, you have to use the small letters. Wherever the capital letters are there, you have to use the capital letters. Python is case sensitive, remember. Okay. So I said print hello, it will not work out. Just go with the small letters, it will work out. It will work out. Then again, print you can write with single quotes. Print you can write with double quotes. Whatever you want, you can do. Print we can do with double quotes, Mohansh. And print you can go with triple single quotes, Mohansh. And print you can go with triple double quotes also. Print triple double quotes, Mohansh again. So every time I am giving Mohansh. Okay, no problem. All the value output is same. All the value output is same. Okay. I will tell you now how to use this print formatting. For example, uh, let me define the name here. Name Mohansh and qualification. I just want to give the qualification. Qualification is equal to MCA. Now, what my requirement is, I want to print like this. I want to print a statement. Mohansh done. Mohansh done MCA. I want to print like this. How to do this? How to do this? Anyone? Anyone?
Concatenation itself.
This is a kind of concatenation. What is how to do the concatenation? Name plus done plus qualification. Over. Name plus done plus qualification. Over. Mohan's done MCA. It's simple, straightforward. Is it have any complication? Okay, print inside the print you can do. Okay, print. Inside the print also you can keep. But in collaboratory, no need to use the prints. Directly you can able to get the outputs. Okay, Mohan's done MCA. String concatenation, just a string concatenation. Just a string concatenation. Okay. Okay. One thing I want to do. My name is Mohansh. I done MCA. I want to print like this. My name is Mohansh, and I done MCA. How to do these two things? Variable value. One is the Mohansh, one is MCA. Both are end of the points. Then you can do like this. Print. First, my name is This is my custom string. This is my custom string, sir. My name is, then comma name. Then one more print you can do. My qualification is, or my qualification is, my qualification is, my qualification is, then comma qualification. What is that? What is the variable I defined? Qualification. Comma qualification. So finally you can able to see two outputs. Finally you can able to see two outputs. My name is Mohansh and my qualification is MCA. Is it clear? Is it clear? Understand? And let me have the little bit complex one. Let me have the little bit complex one. Okay, everything is going like this, just concatenated way. Everything is going like this, just a concatenated way. But I have a simple thing need to tell. Okay, product price is equal to 67,000. Product discount is 7,000, and product GST is 5,000, and calculate the final price of the product. Final price. Okay. Calculate the final price also. How to calculate the final price? Product price. Accept it. Okay. Final price is like this, but my requirement is my print should be like this. Today I purchased a mobile cost, or mobile MRP is 67,000, and I got offer 7,000, but they added GST. They added GST, but they added GST 5,000. Finally, I paid how much? 67 minus 7, totally 65. Finally, I paid 65,000. Okay. This is the biggest string I want to generate now. I want to populate now through the print. How I can do this? How I can do this? Tell me, sir. Tell me, madam. These are the variables. These are the variables with me now. I want to populate a bigger print. Today I purchased a mobile MRP 67,000 and I got offer 7,000, but they added GST 5,000. Finally, I paid 65,000. Can I go with the print? Can I go with the print? Okay. Tell me one by one.
You want all of that in a string format, so or else you are going to use variables to assign them each.
No. I want variables inside. I want in 67,000, in the area of 67,000, I want to use PRD price.
I'm not
In the
sure what
area
it
of
is,
in the
but
area
we
of
can.
7. Yeah.
Yes,
Tell me.
I'm
Go
not
ahead.
sure
Go
what
ahead.
it is, but I think we can use f before string starting
Input.
string. Use small f before string double quotations is done, and then we can use in between string we can use curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets we can define the variables. When we print it, we will get the values along with the string itself.
Okay, that is format method. Yes, I will tell that. First go with the plain way. Okay, I don't know about formats. I don't know about the specifiers. First go with the print. Normal general concatenation. Go with.
In that case, today I purchased mobile
Yeah, wait.
MRP inside a
Yes,
string.
very good. Very good. Today I purchased MRP is this much is okay.
String.
Then after that I want to concatenate product price. Okay, I want to concatenate product price. Then again, then plus, and I got
We can use plus symbol to concatenate two strings, but we cannot use it to concatenate a string and a variable. So we need to use comma continuously. String, comma, variable, and then again comma, string, then again comma, variable. Hello, sir. Am I audible?